So, let's see. Right now, it's on Eco. You have the remote. You have the same settings on top as it does on the remote. So, press that. That's the menu option. You can go up or down. I like it a little toasty. That's the indicator to let you know that it's plugged in. It's like a little plug symbol. And then you have a timer, which I think that's by the hour. So you can do 1, 2, however you want. And I think if you hold it, you can turn it off. You can turn off the timer. And I forgot what this is. But yeah, it's blowing out pretty good warm air. It has the settings. It has the temperature. If you hit the menu again, turn the fan on, the heat on, it'll say H2. It has H1, H2, and H3. And yeah, it's pretty good size. I like it.
So we love this personal heater. This is actually in our daughter's room, and we have one in our own room. In Texas, you know, cold can get really cold. Right now we're in heat, so we're not necessarily using it that much. But what I do love about it is that it comes with a remote, and it's very compact in a way to where you can put it on top of a shelf like we did for hers, and just so when the room does get to a certain temperature, it'll kick on, and when it meets that temperature, desired temperature, it'll turn off. So you can remote control it. You have settings, multiple different settings, and easy on. And so you click timer, increase temperature, decrease temperature, swivel, and then you have your other options. And so we really enjoyed it for the winter. We're definitely going to keep it. The only thing that I would say is a negative is on furniture. In this case, it left a stain. So multiple places. I think it's just the stickiness of the bottom of it. You can tell we've kind of moved it around over time. That's the only thing that I can give like a negative say about this product, but it definitely does what you want it to do. And in my opinion, it's safe. I can't, you know, for certain say that for others, how they feel about it, but for us, it definitely did what we wanted.
Well, I had to go.
Definitely super cool. And you see the numbers light up. It's a remote control. I can oscillate it. Look at that. It has a thermostat on it, so when the room gets to the temperature that you want it, see, it just went off. It's at 70. Came back on. It has tip over protection. I mean, the remote itself is awesome. I like this purchase. I really do.
I'll tell you that this little tiny, and then look at the reference, this little tiny heater, which looks like it's about 18 inches high, has been heating up my place, which was sitting at 68 degrees, and I've been letting it run for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours now, and my place is now at 74 degrees, the entire place. I'm not using the actual HVAC system because for whatever reason it's running on auxiliary because it's so cold outside, but this place is feeling a lot better and a lot warmer thanks to this thing. So it punches out some good heat. I have it on the highest setting right now, and it's quiet. You can barely hear it. Look. That's all. So I like it. I recommend.
It's smoking. I had to put the electrical tape on it. It's shorting out. Like, unbelievable. See that? It's unbelievable.